good launch. Get her down, lower, not down. Never say down, never. Lower. Man, I haven't flown this in 3 weeks. It's just been too windy. Not that the wind bothers it much, but it's just not fun when it's blowing a bazillion miles an hour. Alright, let's get some full speeds in. There's full speed, back off. Bring her down. Wow.
Time to stop. Time to start.
I had a dream I was flying this at the ballpark down the road, the little ballpark down from my house.
Time to stop.
How would that work out?
Time to start.
I don't have the reflexes for anything like that.
Time to stop. Time to start.
Timer stop is at 25% throttle, so I'm kind of light on the throttle on this flight. Right here.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Time to stop. Time to start. Time to stop. Time to start.
I'd buzz the tower, but
Time to stop.
a little crosswind is kind of shaky jakey, and I don't want to shaky bakey right into my head. Imagine this plane goes fast enough, it has enough mass to where it'd kill somebody.
Time to stop.
You got hit just right in the head. I hate that turn right there,
Time to start.
because that's reminiscent of when I lost the F-15. But I stalled that coming out of safe. I was putting in safe for the landing because of the wind, and it wouldn't churn. It doesn't churn as sharp and safe, so I kind of panicked. Took it out of safe, too slow, it stalled. There's a buzz. It's a nice buzz.
Time remaining.
It's beautiful when the wind's not blowing. Boy, there's a Captain Obvious statement.
Time to stop.
I'm not flying all that well today
Time to
either,
start. Time to stop.
so I'm being
Time to
careful.
start. Time to stop. Time to start. Time to stop. Time to start.
I still want to fly the Hawker Hurricane, but I'm not going to fly it here. I'm going to go by the park or the school, because it got a crosswind. And I don't want any issues landing. Wow, that was almost into the trees. There, I couldn't see it for a while, so I didn't panic. I just held what I had, because I knew before it went over my head and I lost sight that I had level flight, so I just held it until I could see it. Because a lot of times when you lose the plane over you, new people fly over themselves all the time. They lose orientation and start yanking on the sticks. Well, some good aerial video anyway. And I think I'm in an anthill. That's what's bad about walking around staring at the sky in Blue, Alabama. Man, my throat is dry. I'm flying high. High-itis. Sorry. I might just take the audio from this camera on my head and mix it in with the video from the camera on the plane. Man, a crosswind. I know with a last flight on the air tractor that wasn't filmed, it was blowing it around pretty good at landing. That's nice landings. Maybe better than what was in the videos. hard to say.
Timer stop.
Well,
Timer
let's see.
start. Time remaining 1 minute.
Guess it's time to think about a landing.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Go down here.
Timer stop.
Let it coast around the wind.